US President Donald Trump's approval rating has dropped to the lowest level of his current term, according to a new Reuters Ipsos poll, as concerns grow over the rise in cost of living and the ongoing conflict with Iran. The 4-day poll, completed on Monday, found that 34% of Americans approve of Trump's performance in the White House. That is down from 36% recorded in a Reuters Ipsos survey conducted between April 15 and April 20th. Reuters noted that most responses were collected before Saturday night's shooting incident at the White House Correspondents Association dinner where Trump had been expected to speak. Authorities said a gunman was stopped before entering the hall where Trump was dining, and federal prosecutors have charged the suspect with attempting to assassinate the president. Trump's approval ratings have declined steadily since he returned to office in January 2025 when 47% of Americans approved of his performance. According to the poll, his popularity has been affected by the US and Israeli war on Iran, which began on February 28 and triggered sharp increases in fuel prices. Only 22% of respondents approved of Trump's handling of the cost of living, compared to 25% in the previous Reuters Ipsos poll. Gasoline prices in the United States have risen by more than 40% since the conflict began, reaching an average of around $4.18 per gallon. Reuters reported that the conflict disrupted roughly one-fifth of global oil trade after Iran responded to the attacks, contributing to rising energy prices worldwide. The increase in fuel prices is also creating concern with Trump's Republican Party ahead of the November midterm elections. While 78% of Republicans still support Trump overall, 41% of Republican respondents said they disapprove of his handling of the cost of living. The poll also showed that independent registered voters currently favor Democrats in congressional election preferences, with 34% supporting Democrats compared to 20% supporting Republicans. 1 in 4 independent voters said they remain undecided. Trump had won the 2024 presidential election on promises to reduce prices following years of high inflation under former President Joe Biden. However, Reuters reported that Trump's approval rating on the economy now stands at 27%, which is lower than any economic approval rating recorded during his first term between 2017 and 2021. It is also lower than the weakest economic rating recorded by Biden. Although the US-Iran conflict has cooled somewhat following a ceasefire earlier this month, Reuters said Iranian threats continue to disrupt oil shipments from the Persian Gulf, adding pressure to global energy markets as reserves decline. Approval for the US conflict with Iran also fell in the latest survey. Just 34% of Americans approved of the conflict, down from 36% in mid-April and 38% in mid-March. The Reuters Ipsos poll surveyed 1,269 US adults nationwide, including 1,014 registered voters, and had a margin of error of 3 percentage points.